Subscribe for more content, comment your thoughts, let's get started.
Introduction. Hobbies and interests are important parts of our lives. They help us relax, learn new things, and meet new people. Today, we will read about different hobbies and interests. This story will introduce you to painting, listening to music, reading books, and many more activities. Painting. What is painting? Painting is a way to create art using colors. People use brushes, sponges, or even their fingers to apply paint to a surface like paper, canvas, or walls. There are many different types of paint, such as watercolors, acrylics, and oils. Why do people paint? People paint for many reasons. Some paint to express their feelings and emotions. Others paint to capture the beauty of the world around them. Painting can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. It allows people to use their creativity and imagination. How to start painting? If you want to start painting, you will need some basic supplies. You will need paint, brushes, and paper or canvas. You can start with simple projects, like painting a flower or a tree. As you practice, you will get better and can try more complex subjects. Famous painters. There are many famous painters in history. Vincent van Gogh is known for his colorful and emotional paintings. Leonardo da Vinci painted the famous Mona Lisa. Frida Kahlo is known for her unique and powerful self-portraits. These artists inspire many people to start painting. Listening to music. What is listening to music? Listening to music is a hobby that many people enjoy. Music is made up of sounds that are arranged in a way that is pleasant to listen to. There are many different types of music, such as classical, rock, pop, jazz, and hip-hop. Why do people listen to music? People listen to music for many reasons. Music can make us feel happy, sad, excited, or relaxed. It can help us concentrate or give us energy to exercise. Music is also a way to connect with other people and share our feelings. How to enjoy music. To enjoy music, you can use different devices like radios, smartphones, or computers. You can listen to music alone or with friends. Many people enjoy going to concerts to see their favorite musicians perform live. Singing along to songs or learning to play a musical instrument are also great ways to enjoy music. Famous musicians. There are many famous musicians from around the world. Ludwig van Beethoven is a famous classical composer. The Beatles are one of the most famous rock bands. Beyoncé is a popular singer known for her powerful voice and performances. These musicians have made a big impact on the world of music. Reading books. What is reading books? Reading books is a hobby that involves looking at written words and understanding their meaning. Books can be fiction or non-fiction. Fiction books tell stories that are made up, while non-fiction books give information about real things. Why do people read books? People read books for many reasons. Books can entertain us with exciting stories. They can teach us new things and expand our knowledge. Reading can also improve our language skills and vocabulary. It is a great way to relax and escape from the real world. How to start reading. To start reading, you can visit a library or bookstore to find books that interest you. You can also read e-books on your phone or tablet. It is important to choose books that match your reading level. Starting with short and simple books can help you build your reading skills. Famous authors. There are many famous authors who have written great books. J.K. Rowling is known for the Harry Potter series. William Shakespeare is famous for his plays and poems. Jane Austen wrote many beloved novels, such as Pride and Prejudice. These authors have inspired many people to love reading. Playing sports. What is playing sports? Playing sports is a physical activity that involves skill and teamwork. There are many different types of sports, such as soccer, basketball, tennis, and swimming. Sports can be played individually or in teams. Why do people play sports? People play sports for many reasons. Sports can keep us healthy and fit. They help us develop coordination and strength. Playing sports can also teach us important skills like teamwork and discipline. Sports are a fun way to spend time with friends and meet new people. How to start playing sports. To start playing sports, you can join a local sports club or team. You will need the right equipment, such as a ball, racket, or swimsuit. Practicing regularly will help you improve your skills. Watching professional athletes can also inspire you and teach you new techniques. Famous athletes. There are many famous athletes who have excelled in their sports. Michael Jordan is one of the greatest basketball players. Serena Williams is a champion tennis player. Usain Bolt is known as the fastest man in the world. These athletes inspire many people to start playing sports. Cooking. What is cooking? Cooking is the process of preparing food by combining ingredients and using heat. There are many different ways to cook, such as baking, frying, boiling, and grilling. Cooking can be a fun and creative activity. Why do people cook? People cook for many reasons. Cooking allows us to prepare healthy and delicious meals. It is a way to express creativity by trying new recipes and ingredients. Cooking for others is a way to show care and hospitality. It can also be a relaxing and enjoyable hobby. How to start cooking. To start cooking, you will need some basic kitchen tools, such as pots, pans, knives, and a stove. You can find simple recipes online or in cookbooks. It is important to follow the instructions carefully and practice regularly. Starting with easy dishes can help you build your cooking skills. Famous chefs. There are many famous chefs who have made a big impact on the world of cooking. Julia Child introduced French cuisine to American audiences. Gordon Ramsay is known for his cooking shows and restaurants. Jamie Oliver promotes healthy eating and cooking. These chefs inspire many people to start cooking. Gardening. What is gardening? Gardening is the activity of growing and taking care of plants. This can include flowers, vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Gardening can be done in a backyard, on a balcony, or even indoors with potted plants. Why do people garden? People garden for many reasons. Gardening allows us to connect with nature and enjoy the outdoors. It is a great way to relax and relieve stress. Growing your own food can be rewarding and healthy. Gardening also helps the environment by providing habitats for birds and insects. How to start gardening? To start gardening, you will need some basic tools, such as a shovel, watering can, and gloves. You can start by planting easy-to-grow plants, like tomatoes or herbs. It is important to learn about the needs of your plants, such as sunlight, water, and soil. Visiting a local garden center or joining a gardening club can also be helpful. Famous gardens. There are many famous gardens around the world that inspire people to start gardening. The Royal Botanic Gardens in Kew, England, have a large collection of plants from all over the world. The Butchart Gardens in Canada are known for their beautiful flowers. The Garden of Versailles in France is famous for its stunning design and history. These gardens show the beauty and creativity of gardening. Traveling. What is traveling? Traveling is the activity of going to different places for leisure, adventure, or learning. People can travel to nearby towns or faraway countries. Traveling can involve different modes of transportation, such as cars, planes, trains, and boats. Why do people travel? People travel for many reasons. Traveling allows us to explore new places and cultures. It helps us learn about the history and traditions of different regions. Traveling can also be a way to relax and escape from daily routines. It provides opportunities for adventure and excitement. How to start traveling? To start traveling, you will need to plan your trip. This includes choosing a destination, booking transportation and accommodation, and packing your bags. It is important to research the place you are visiting, including the weather, local customs, and attractions. Traveling with friends or family can make the experience more enjoyable. Famous travel destinations. There are many famous travel destinations around the world. The Great Wall of China is an iconic landmark. The Grand Canyon in the United States is known for its stunning natural beauty. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is a must-see for many travelers. These destinations attract millions of visitors each year and offer unforgettable experiences. Playing musical instruments. What is playing musical instruments? Playing musical instruments is the activity of creating music using different tools. There are many types of musical instruments, such as the piano, guitar, violin, and drums. Playing an instrument requires practice and skill. Why do people play musical instruments? People play musical instruments for many reasons. It is a way to express creativity and emotions. Playing an instrument can be relaxing and enjoyable. It also helps improve coordination and concentration. Playing music with others can be a fun social activity. How to start playing musical instruments. To start playing a musical instrument, you will need to choose an instrument that interests you. You can take lessons from a teacher or learn online. Practicing regularly is important to improve your skills. Joining a band or orchestra can also be a great way to learn and perform music. Famous musicians. There are many famous musicians known for their skill with musical instruments. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a child prodigy who played the piano and composed music. Jimi Hendrix is famous for his guitar playing. Yo-Yo Ma is a renowned cellist. These musicians inspire many people to start playing musical instruments. Photography. What is photography? Photography is the art of taking pictures using a camera. There are many types of photography, such as portrait, landscape, wildlife, and street photography. Photography can be a hobby or a professional career. Why do people take photos? People take photos for many reasons. Photography allows us to capture and share special moments. It helps us see the world from different perspectives. Taking photos can be a creative and enjoyable activity. It also helps us preserve memories and tell stories. How to start photography? To start photography, you will need a camera. It can be a simple point-and-shoot camera or a more advanced DSLR. Learning about the basics of photography, such as composition, lighting, and focus, is important. Practicing regularly and experimenting with different subjects can help improve your skills. Famous photographers. There are many famous photographers who have made a big impact on the world of photography. Ansel Adams is known for his black and white landscape photos. Dorothea Lange captured powerful images during the Great Depression. Annie Leibovitz is famous for her portraits of celebrities. These photographers inspire many people to start taking photos. Crafting. What is crafting? Crafting is the activity of making things by hand. This can include knitting, sewing, scrapbooking, and woodworking. Crafting allows people to create unique and personalized items. Why do people craft? People craft for many reasons. Crafting can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. It allows us to use our creativity and imagination. Making handmade items can be rewarding and meaningful. Crafting can also be a way to make gifts for others or to decorate our homes. How to start crafting? To start crafting, you will need some basic supplies, such as yarn, fabric, paper, or wood. You can find tutorials and patterns online or in craft books. It is important to start with simple projects and practice regularly. Joining a crafting group can also be a great way to learn new skills and share ideas. Famous crafters. There are many famous crafters who have inspired people to start crafting. Martha Stewart is known for her creative home and craft ideas. Calf Fassett is famous for his colorful knitting and quilting designs. Tim Holtz is a popular figure in the world of scrapbooking and paper crafting. These crafters show the beauty and creativity of handmade items. Conclusion. Hobbies and interests are important parts of our lives. They help us relax, learn new things, and connect with others. Whether you enjoy painting, listening to music, reading books, playing sports, cooking, gardening, traveling, playing musical instruments, photography, or crafting, there is a hobby for everyone. Trying new activities can bring joy and fulfillment to our lives. These hobbies allow us to express our creativity and imagination. They help us develop new skills and improve our well-being. So, if you are looking for a new hobby, consider exploring one of these activities. You might discover a new passion that enriches your life.